Long before the coronavirus outbreak recalibrated our daily lives, I had been arguing that we must strive for a new normal. Building back better is not only a response to a global pandemic, but a reaction to what has happened to our country after years of Labour-led rule. Coronavirus has thrown open a window and shown the fragility of so many of the things we truly value. At the same time, it has forced us to think differently. For more than a decade, we have witnessed the gnawing at the foundations of our public services. This decline has greatly impacted how Wales has been able to deal with the crisis. As we come out of lockdown, there must be a reset button to all of this. The extraordinary experience which we have all shared these past weeks must become a continuous light, illuminating a new set of values and priorities for the way we live in the future. Tory politicians should never again be allowed to pursue their agenda around cuts, closures and privatisation. Coronavirus has given us a heightened awareness of the importance of our environment, our services, our workers, economy and healthcare, all neglected under Welsh Labour rule. A year from today, we can change the tide of our recent history. The Senedd elections will provide the opportunity for you to help Wales build back better. No woman or man can achieve this alone. I want my journey to be our journey. What has been missing is a plan for delivery, a determination to get things done. If we want to change it, then it can change. But the change must start with us. We need a can-do culture in Wales. And under my leadership as First Minister, following the May elections a year from now, that is what Plaid Cymru will deliver. I give you my promise that under my leadership, the new Wales will thrive like never before.